everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm here to tell you, or to remind you, that it is time to work on the Christmas tag for the hashtag Year of Julie Nutting tags. Now, everyone is included. We would love to have you. So right now, in November, we are crafting for December. We always craft for the month ahead. So to be a part of our tag, this is what is required. The tag should be 9 1/4 by 3 3/4. It has to be embellished and sturdy on chipboard, multiple layers of cardstock. This month's theme is Christmas. Any doll you want, have, embellish any way you would like. The tag has to be done by September 19th. So anywhere from now until 6 p.m. on the 19th, you have to send me a photograph of your completed tag. This is how it becomes a non-committed tag swap. So if you want to join us and you can get the tag done, please be a part of this. If you can't get the tag done, that's okay. You have until the 19th of November at 6 p.m. to have the photo sent to my email, which is Donnapoweredbycreativity@gmail.com. Once I get all the pictures, I then send an email back with who you are sending your tag to, which will come to you on the 20th. Then all we ask is that by the 22nd of the month, you have your tag in the mail to your swap partner. It's as easy as that. Kind of easy peasy. But I hope you join us. It would be great to have you. Alright everybody, thanks for watching, have a great day, and I will see you all real soon. Bye.